How to create relationships between tables on the QuintaDB service. A relational database is important for business process. It's a database based on the relational model of data and provides access to records that are related from one table to another. Now, I will show you how it works on example. Before we start, it is important to understand the relationship logic. Relationships make use of key fields to allow the two tables to communicate with each other and share their data. There are three types of relationship in a relational database: one-to-one, many-to-one, many-to-many. A one-to-one relationship, used when one row from table A corresponds to one row from table B, and one row from table B corresponds to one row from table A. It can be used for security purposes, to divide a large table, and various other specific purposes. For example, we have two tables: workplaces and employees. Each workplace has a unique ID number and equipment assigned to personal to employee. So, this relation type is appropriate in this case. I will add a new field to the employees form. Relationship field type. I choose workplaces form and ID field. One-to-one connection type. Drop-down list. Now, we will make sure that the connection has been created and it working correctly. Great! Once the tables are linked together, each one can read data from the other. Next type is many-to-one. This is the most common relationship type. In this type of relationship, a row in table A can have many matching rows in table B, but a row in table B can have only one matching row in table A. For example, let's go back to employees and take another table called branch structure. The record with the name of the department in this table is unique, and there is no point to duplicate it. Records in the employees table are unique too, but several employees can work in the same department. So, I'm gonna create another relationship field and choose the branch structure table and name of department field. Please note that in QuintaDB you can have only one relationship between two forms. That's why the table workplaces is no longer in this list. The relationship type is many-to-one with drop-down list field. As you can see, I got the result I want. The last relationship type is many-many. In this relationship, a row in table A can have many matching rows in table B. For example, I'm gonna take two tables: customers and products. In order to create a many-to-many relationship between these tables, I will create a new table called orders. The customer can order more than one product. Same way, the product can be ordered by more than one customer. I'm creating two relationship fields with customers table and products table. In both cases, the relationship type is many-to-many and the checkbox field. Let's check. Great! We created a relational database. But what if I want to show a few more columns from a related table? There is a field type linked column. that will become available in the form builder after you have created a relationship. Let's go back to the employees table. I'm creating the linked column field and choose the floor column from branch structure table. Now it displays the department location. Using the formula field type in the orders table, you can perform simple arithmetic operations with columns from the related table. Let's assume that each product has a discount of 15%. To calculate the final amount, I will create the following formula: price field multiplied by constant 0.85 and select three operands as a decimal. As a result, the system will calculate product's price with discount in orders table. In this video, I showed you the basic capabilities of the QuintaDB service in working with related tables. For more information, visit QuintaDB.com.